Iconic, Style and Essence are the new ranges of skins from PDL to complement the Iconic range of electrical accessories. With Iconic, you can now give your customers a greater choice with 3 different skin designs, each with multiple finishes. Skins simply clip onto standard Iconic grids, which means you only need to carry one base range of mechs and grids and mix and match skin options to suit your customers' preferences. And with Iconic, installation is irresistibly simple. Mechs are easy to install into grids with the handy locking bar. Terminals are easy to wire into. And with a wide range of mechs, there's a solution for any application. Sockets feature inline terminals for quick fit-off, and the floating wrapper terminals provide best-in-class termination. With features like these, Iconic is extremely fast to fit off, while improving the quality and reliability of the installation. The Iconic grid is installed the same way you would any switch or socket, and then it's easy to clip the skins on and off to suit your customer's taste or decor. The beauty of the Iconic range is that it provides an exciting combination of functionality and aesthetics, including electronic and Bluetooth low-energy mechs, allowing your customers more choice than ever before. It's simple efficiency that's sure to turn heads in any new build or renovation. PDL Iconic, next generation switches and sockets that give you more options and your customers more capabilities than ever before.